Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to complete the third quest in the Wine Not series. This time you have to make 24 Grainshine for Goose. Before we start the quest, make sure you meet all the requirements. You need to be farming level 5 and also winemaking level 5. And you can only buy Grainbow seeds at Hazel's shop if you have completed the Grainbows quest. Watch this video to complete this Grainbow quest. Now that you know everything, let's start this quest and walk to the Drunken Goose bar in Terravilla, and inside you will need to talk to Goose. He asks you to make 24 Grainshine bottles. For this you need 576 Grainbows, you also need 240 cooking mix and you need 72 Seltsam eggs. So let's go to Hazel's shop and buy the Grainbow seeds and cooking mix. If you don't own a chicken yet, you can also buy them here. I will buy 2 and I will place them on my land. On my land 4081 you can put 2 chickens in 1 coop. You have to be aviculture level 2 to be able to get the Seltsam eggs. If you want, you can buy more chickens and place them on other lands with coops, so you can level up faster. For this you can use land 3278 and also land 797. Okay, plant your Grainbow seeds until you have 576 fully grown crops. It will take 1 hour to grow them and you need to water them once. Once you have gathered all the resources, go to the winery in the southwest of Terravilla and make the 24 bottles of Grainshine. Once you have all the 24 bottles, you return to Goose to deliver them. As a reward, Goose will give you 7,440 berry tokens, and of course you can keep 2 bottles for yourself. You can sell these bottles for 310 berry each, or you can drink them to gain 115 energy. Now when you check your quest list, you will see you have completed this quest. In 24 hours from now you can start a new Why Not quest, introducing new crops and liquor. Make sure to follow me so you will be notified when I upload a new helpful video for you. You can click here to watch the next Why Not quest.